Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the oil-free eye makeup remover by Neutrogena. I love this eye makeup remover. I love that it's oil-free, so this is something that gets really close to my eyes, so I'm really particular about the ingredients that are in it, and oil is a big one. I don't want to get oil in or around my eyes. That area is already really sensitive. The area under your eye is one of like the thinnest areas on your entire body. Like the skin on it is like one of the most sensitive areas in your entire body, not even just your face. But yeah, this says removes even waterproof mascara and leaves no oily residue. It's effective and gentle, and it is very gentle. It is very effective, and it doesn't leave any oily residue. I'll get to the waterproof stuff in a moment though. So this is a 5.5 fluid ounce, so it's not super travel friendly like if you're flying on an airplane, but it is a pretty small size bottle that it'll like fit in like your makeup bag or your travel bag or anything like that pretty easily. The back's got just some more information as well as how to use it. So you gotta shake up the product. When you shake up the product, you'll kind of see the suds start to form at the top, and you apply with a cotton pad to closed eyes and gently rinse with warm water. And yeah, so as you can see, this bottle is pretty full. It's because obviously it's a brand new bottle, but I've been using this for a really long time, every single night, and I really love it. I love Neutrogena. I think that their skincare stuff is just like really great, and it's really effective. So yeah, so you just shake it up when you're gonna use it, so it gets all sudsy at the top. And then it's a twist cap, and I use the cotton pad, not a cotton ball. You could use a cotton ball if you want to, but I use just like a pad that's maybe like about that big or so. You just apply it over it, you turn it upside down, and that is that. And a little bit of this product goes a long way. So like this bottle that is almost practically full still, I have used for like a week, and it's really great. So as far as waterproof, is it really remove waterproof mascara? It does remove waterproof mascara very nicely, very easily. I don't have to scrub or like rub my eye to remove it, which is really nice. However, waterproof eyeliner, it is not super great, even for like not waterproof eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner, it kind of has a little bit of a harder time removing. I would say it has a harder time removing the eyeliner that's closest to the line, like your eye. If you have like a thick layer of eyeliner on, or like a wing, it does remove that easily. It does remove it easily, but the part that's like closest to your lash line, that's what I was looking for. The eyeliner closest to your lash line, it does have a little bit of trouble removing that, and I sometimes just leave it, or I do scrub it. So that is like the one thing that I have trouble with. Other than that, it's great for removing eyeshadow. It's really great for removing mascara. My lashes feel nice and soft, and there's no mascara on them after I use this. I am sometimes left with a little bit of eyeliner super close to my lash line. I'm kind of okay with that for the most part, but like if you are not okay with that, then just know that you may have to find another product, because this one is not gonna remove that close to your lash line. But other than that, that is like the only complaint that I have with this product. I love this product. I love that it's oil-free. I love oil-free for everything, especially because my skin my face can be a little on the oily side, especially during the summer. I really love all of my products to be oil-free, so I'm obsessed with this product. It comes just like this. It doesn't come in a box or anything. It also did it come? Oh, I can't remember if it came with comes with foil over the top when you first twist it open. I don't think that it does. I think it'd be really hard for anyone to like try to use this at the store anyway. As far as like the smell, it is unscented, so it doesn't have any smell to it, which is really nice. And it's also very liquidy. It's almost like the texture of like water. It's not thick at all, so you do have to be really careful when you're using it. And that's why I kind of suggest using a cotton pad rather than a cotton ball, because cotton ball is smaller, so it's going to be harder to cover the entire surface area of the opening to then flip it over. A cotton pad, so you just want to make sure you are using something that covers the entire opening, and that you close this as soon as you're not using it anymore, because it's going to be really easy to spill. Like one little hit and it'll knock over, and if it knocks over when it's open, like, you are going to lose the entire product, because it's not thick, it's super liquidy like water, so it's all just gonna come out like at one time really quickly. But yeah, so this is just a great product. It's a little, you can kind of see the soap in there still, it looks shimmery because of that. But yeah, I highly recommend this eye makeup remover. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.